Any for the day, baby. Bad man, we no spray, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I would fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so
Hi guys, welcome to yet another vlog. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is xoxo, but you can call me Mr. Bashe or the beautiful one. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi babe, welcome back home. Okay, welcome back to the beautiful family. I just actually finished doing my get to know me tag, so if you haven't watched it, please go watch it so you can have a glimpse of who Jessica is. So yeah, decided to vlog today. Today it is Thursday. It is currently 3:10 and I'm going to visit my mom, so I'll be there till Saturday and then I'm gonna come back. So I thought, you know what, let me vlog and see Wuti. Come on, I hope I can vlog and I will do my best. If anything, say hi to the camera. Hi. I'm going with Sai because endlini unabangani abaningi kanjani, like unabangani, it's like there's a part of him that engikhohlwayo ukuthi ngikhona manje mangila. It's like ungilandelela everywhere because ulandelela ubani if not me or my sister. So yeah, we are going home, but before that I'm first gonna go to Chicken the King and get my mom something, and then we're gonna head home. So yeah, let's go home and see how the mini weekend goes, because mini weekend say basically. So let's see how it goes. I got myself Burger King, but really nothing much, honestly. I just got a nugget. Sigh. I got chicken nuggets, and then I got my mom the wings and 2-piece and some chips. So yeah, I just wanna grab something to eat, just the snack, and then I'm driving. So it's currently 3:30. Let me snack and I will see y'all on Figure Point.
about 5 minutes ago, when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before, I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah.
I will see you all guys tomorrow, and we'll see what the day has for us. But for now, I'm actually eating these pops. They're so nice. I've had them before, but they were not this nice. And then also masasifika phambili, I'm gonna have Emilar.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, maybe. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. everybody answer will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. Do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that.
Hi guys, yeah, as I guess Kulu mixing, right? No, we didn't. We didn't speak Exeni. The only time any that I recorded was breakfast, and then after breakfast I cleaned the house, and then after that I washed a carpet, and then after that I washed my car. The only thing that I showed was washing my car. But I'm done now. It is currently 5:01, and I'm on my way to get my friend. The fact that I've been busy this whole day, like I hoped to leave about 3, but the fact that in Pumendling or 5, my mom is like, we over late, miss. Just a little bit. But yeah, I just want to relax right now, just chill with my friend. As much as I didn't do much, like low cleaner though, it drained me, because Izolo even I cleaned my place and I cleaned my room, my shower. So I'm in a cleaning mode. But anyways, let us not talk too much. Right now I'm going to fetch my friend, and then we are going to go to the bottle store. I'm not seeing a but mama to me Jameson, so we'll see how it goes. Let me focus on the road, and I will talk to you later. Hi guys, welcome back to yet another Twaya. The last time we talked with Nin, I think it was on Saturday, if I'm not mistaken, or was it Friday? Because if in all honesty I didn't really vlog like that. So hey, yeah, no, zange vlog endlini as much as I wanted to vlog, but I zange vlog, but we'll try again next time. Today is a new day, as I promised on the last vlog. We are about to make the candles, so I already put out the things just to show you when I got that package from Shein is a 9. So I'm not sure if is a Google or I got things separate. Hey, I'm not sure, but let me show you. So remember, there's the white wax and then there's actually a clear wax. So I actually liked the clear wax, hence why I got it. And then look, I think it's actually melting a bit because it's actually starting to be hot. And then not bula, but I never really used it. I also got this silicone thing. Well, with me it's a bit tough to make this candle with this type of wax because it makes it wobble, so it needs a really hard container or packaging, but like the one I'm gonna do, I'll show you all the difference. I got this one, it has like amaplumyana, so I should actually try making this one. It's won't see what's popping. And then I also have this one. It's like a rose. So I got 2 of these, and then I got this one, like a seed. It's not a seed. What is it? Let's see. Like a flower. It's actually a flower. This is how it looks. And then I got 2 of these. And then I got 1 round one, just a normal round one. And then this thing is a pot ya corner, to melt the wax in. And then I got this huge. I should actually get the normal white wax. And then I got this one. I think this one would be very nice. Imagine a longish candle like this, and then I should actually get it. And then in here we have these things, and then we have these things. So this is how it goes, but I'll show you. Alrighty, let's get into it and not waste time. Yeah, let's do it. But I'm actually still waiting for them to dry. And then I'm still waiting for them to dry, and then hopefully I don't think they'll be dry today, so I'll probably show you all that on the next vlog. I think on the next vlog I do want to also this giveaway thing. So yeah, nothing much honestly, just wanted to show you all a little haul from Take A Lot. I got my face product. I'm a face product from Niwatenga Discam or Clicks. But in Temang price, I've been trying to compare prices, but because this thing at Discam used to be 150, now it's 185. And then in Temang Burger on Take a Lot, it's actually 140. So from 185 le inhlaleng ibhadala mina from Clicks, because I think the 150 for this one at Discam, it was on special. So itema is fairly specially, they took it back to 185. So we're saying it's only 185, but I'm so glad that I got it for 140 at Take a Lot. So I'm so glad about that. And then basically lana kahle I just got into zam zokugeza, you know. So I also got this face cream, yes, it's Cetaphil. So this cream I get it for between $395 and $477, depending what you told uthenga kuphi. And I got it for $250. Was it $250? I got it for $250 on Take a Lot. Like, what? I was even like thinking, good, hey, what if it's not the same gram? God, it's actually the same gram. So I'm so glad that I was able to save a little bit. I actually saved because in Temang calculator I was planning to spend 900 rand, but I spent 600 rand. So I'm saving, and then I got these roll on, and then I also got this hand wash for my bathroom. I want to show you what I got for this size. I got this bed from Vlogtober and it was $320. So nice, so nice. I'm planning to get 2 more beds. There's other one that like is like a house, so if I like it, because I know it's hard sometimes. And then just another one for outside, because this one I'm gonna put in my room. I want one for outside and one for this side, so just 3 beds. So yeah, it is so nice. It is soft in the middle. Jay, I showed him yesterday and he actually loved it. So. And then I got him 3 toys. They are all somewhere around this house.